Today we configure VLAN 10 for HR and VLAN 20 for IT on a Cisco switch, a must-know CCNA lab example. First, assign IP address to both VPCs. In the switch, you can see all interfaces are by default in VLAN 1. Next, we create VLAN 10 HR and VLAN 20 IT in the switch. You can see the CLI commands on the screen. Even though we created VLANs in switch, there are no switch interfaces assigned to them. All interfaces are still in VLAN 1. Right now, both PCs are on the same default VLAN 1, so they can ping each other. Assign interface GI01 to VLAN 10 and GI02 to VLAN 20. Now, PC1 is in VLAN 10 and PC2 is in VLAN 20. Save this configuration, that is, write the running configuration to startup configuration. Now, both PCs can't ping each other anymore because VLANs separate broadcast domains. This is how you configure VLANs on a Cisco switch. Stay tuned for inter-VLAN routing next.